So, hello guys. Now, I am going in this video to tell you something which most of the coaching and other people don't explain like this. Here, I will just explain why ji comma j is equals to iota h cut epsilon I jk. I will only explain this. Now you will say, oh, we have seen some proofs. Like you may have seen for the angular momentum like Li, Lj. You may have seen it like this. Or you may tell me that in our school or coaching we are like just said that this is true. You have to assume that this is true, this is the definition of angular momentum, and you are not tell like why this is equal to this. So here you got, we have a block on the xy plane. We rotate about the z-axis by pi by 2 angle. We got this. Then we rotated this block about the x-axis by a pi by 2 angle. We rotate like this. So we got this. Now we are just flipping the actions. Now we will first perform this, then this. We first performed this Rx, then we performed Rz, and you can see that the output we are getting from both are not same, they are different. So what it is saying is that rotation operators don't commute, or rotation about the same axis will commute but about different axis will not commute. Like suppose if I have said you that we have a xyz like this, suppose, and I am saying we have a vector at 30 degree. Now flip it again or flip it more to some 20 degrees, then you get this. Now reverse the action. Firstly go to 20. Firstly go to 20 degrees, then go to 30 degrees. So rotation about same axis commutes, but about different axis don't commute. This is what this diagram is showing. It's okay, nothing very hard. Now do you know what is the rotation matrix for a rotation of a vector about z-axis by phi angle? We know this is our rotation matrix. Isn't it obvious? You have, like, you may have seen it, x y z and some rotation matrix r z of phi x dash y dash z dash, and it's x y z. So like you are rotating a vector by about z axis by phi angle, then for that you have this rotation matrix. And if this, maybe you can call this as phi. So if phi is positive only when you are going anti-clockwise, like you are going like this, you are going anti-clockwise. Okay, so this is rotation matrix, and what I am doing is that, suppose I have did a very small, this is like, suppose this is very 0.005 degrees. So then our expansion of cos phi sin phi will be something like this. It's okay. Now I am going to say, explain. Now I am going to do for rx and ry. Now I have not written the what rx and ry looks when epsilon is large. But you can understand, as I have shown for rz, the same you can show for rx and ry also. So till now it's clear. You need to multiply these two matrices, you got this. When you do reverse ry rx, you got this. Okay, now subtract both of them. You are getting like this, and this matrix is equals to, if you have rz and rotation with epsilon square minus I. Yes, see here. If you minus I, if you minus the identity, you will get 0. You will not get 1 1 1 here. You will get minus epsilon square by 2. So see, we are saying this for epsilon. What if you have epsilon square here? Maybe let me say it more properly. If I have rz epsilon square, then you have got epsilon square here, epsilon square here, epsilon 4 here, epsilon 4 here. So this term is epsilon 4, which is very very small. So we will have neglected this, we have neglected this. So what I am saying is that our rz is equals to epsilon square is something 1 1 1 epsilon square 0 0 0. Now when you minus rz epsilon square with I, you will get what? You will get 0 epsilon square 0 minus epsilon square 0 0 0 0 0. So this is what I am showing here. What if you have epsilon square here, then they are neglected. You have minus epsilon square here, and so now you can understand that it is correct, it is correct. Okay, and another thing is that no matter what rotation matrix you have, just put 0 in that, you will always get identity matrix. So finally I can write the above statement. I can write the above statement this as this. Okay, now they are abhi tak, till now we all are doing discussion about Cartesian rotation, rotation of vectors, blocks, only simple mathematical geometrical operations. But in quantum we define rotations by a operator. Suppose you want a rotation about x-axis of epsilon, then you will use this. The thing which rx epsilon do in Cartesian, that same thing is did by this operator in quantum mechanics, and we represent this by dx epsilon. Okay, its expansion can be written like this also. So you can understand what this is doing. The thing I have explained here, what you have to do, you just have to replace rx by dx, ry by dy, and the same with others. You will see, and that will lead to what you will see, what you are here to watch. So in quantum, we have a rotation operator d and phi defined for the cat bases. These are the cat bases. you have doing rotation of cat vector by some r degrees, and you are getting new alpha which is rotated by an angle r. Okay, it's nothing but like rotation vector. You have phi, you can say it, you can say this is alpha, you can say this is as your alpha r. This is just nothing but a rotation. So see, as I have said, you just have to replace the rx, ry and this with dx, dy. You are doing that and you are getting this relation. You just have to put the values of dx, dy. When you will put, you will get something like this. And I have neglected higher orders of epsilon, the cube, epsilon 4. I have neglected because they were very small. And when you will do the expansion, you will see that all epsilon, the terms which are containing epsilon are not present in the expansion. There are only epsilon square or other terms. So we will consider epsilon square terms only on both sides. On both sides. अगर हमारे पास में एप्सिलॉन बचता है यहाँ पे, तो हम दोनों साइड एप्सिलॉन कंपेयर करते हैं. हम एप्सिलॉन स्क्वायर क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि यार एक्सपेंशन करने पे एप्सिलॉन गायब हो जा रहा है, तो हमें एप्सिलॉन स्क्वायर को ही कंपेयर करना पड़ेगा. जब आप कंपेयर करेंगे यू विल फाइनली गेट दिस, एंड दिस इज व्हाट यू वांट. अब यही चीज़ आपने, यू हैव टू डू द सेम थिंग विद अदर एक्सिस टू. लाइक अभी हमने जो भी बात करी वो सब कैसे करी कि आर जेड के अबाउट रोटेशन करेंगे. जैसे तुमने आर एक्स आर वाई आर एक्स लिया, यहाँ पे आर एक्स आर जेड लो, आर जेड आर एक्स लो, तो कुछ और वैल्यू मिलेगी. वैसे करके तुम अलग अलग चीज़ें ट्राई करोगे, तुम अलग अलग चीज़ें मिलेगी, और फाइनली यू विल गेट दैट दिस इज ट्रू. सो दिस इज वॉट आई वॉन्ट टू से इन दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू.